Hi guys, welcome back again. Today I'm gonna show you how I'm doing my reselling business. So stay tuned kasi maglilist ako ng mga item. Like I said, it's been a while yung last time na naglist ako ng item. So yung iba pang mga clothing ko na-stock na lang. So I'm trying to come back and list some of my old item. I mean, it's not old. I mean, it's been like staying there for a year, but it's still new. Some of them are still have the tag with tag. And then I mentioned it, sabi ko before, na most of my item, unless all this sa closet ko lang to nakuha. So I'll selling it for Poshmark and Mercury and eBay. So most right here are my clothing. So yeah. So I'll show you how I doing it. So I'm gonna move this one because I'm gonna need my iPad. I don't need my laptop right now because my daughter, she's using my phone earlier in some videos. Anyway, I list some item at Facebook, and then I sold my Michael Kors bag today. So I went to meet I went to the mall to meet up someone, and then I sold one. So I'm selling it for $50 before. Now I just sold it for $35. So I mean, it looks still really nice, really good. And then yeah, so I just put it on my list. Na sold ko siya. I don't know if you guys can see. So for $35 today. So I just put it on my notebook. That's the first one item that I sold. Naglist lang ako when, I think 3 days ago. Yeah, 3 days ago ko lang in-update yung yung ano ko, listing ko, and then I got sold. That's good. That's a good thing. Like I said, I'm just starting over again. So I'm looking for this one. Now I'm gonna put it on the Facebook. Teka, saan na nga ba? Market. Teka. You guys can see, yeah. So, ila-list ko lang siya. Okay, create listing, one item. Put the photos. Lagay natin yung photos. Ito yung photos niya. So, may video ako. So, I'm just gonna try to shut up my... Because it's... When you don't know where you go, if you're looking for a good, you are my sunshine, my only sun. You are my sunshine. It's too loud. My only sun. You are my sunshine. So next. So that's my videos. And then now yung photos ko na ilalagay. Guess I need to buy new cameras. Okay, this is it. There you go. And then the title, your name. The name is Wait. Means, where are you from? Cool. Didn't realize that just now. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna need my laptop. You know why? Because I'm searching it there. So the name brand, so I can just all of a sudden my throat. Vitamin me. So I can't find it. But hindi ko siya makita siguro with flowers. Oh gosh. You know what? I don't have to look at it because I'm just gonna look at my Poshmark because I already. It's already in my Poshmark. So I'm just gonna look what did I put it there. So I don't have to look for that item. Let me see, because I know, yep, right here. Oh, I just put like woman's blouse. Wait, I guess. So it's easy for me, woman's. I just put wave and woman's blouse. And then how much? Because it's been a while, probably for $10. It's not used. Like I said, it's still with tags. Then new with tag. Wait, woman's blouse. Description. New with tags. New with tag. Wait. Blouse. Oh, right here. Size. What size is this? Large. Size. Large. I don't know what kind of. So, tignan nyo lang pagka maglalagay kayo ng ano, tapos titignan nyo lang kung anong, what kind. So, this one is 100% polyester. Pwede nyo nang i-add sa description nyo. Yun. So, yeah. Doing listings. So, lagay nyo lang sa description nyo. So, new large. And then, lagay nyo 100% polyester. And that's it. Then list. Publish it. I'll make sure everything good. And this is new. Publish. So, yan. Na-publish ko na siya sa Facebook. So, next, I'm gonna put this away. Like I said, I'm gonna put this away. And next one, I don't know where's the hanger, so I'll put it there. Ito, like I said, this one, this is used. I think this is mine. This is used. Oh. Hoodie. So next, I think, let me see on Poshmark. Tignan ko sa Poshmark kasi para hindi ko na hanapin kung ano ba siya. Kasi yung iba na list ko na sa Poshmark sa Facebook kasi hindi ko pa na-list yung ibang item ko. So, tinitingnan ko na lang siya kasi mas marami kong items sa Poshmark. So, I don't think I put this one there though. Hindi ko lang sure, but I don't think so. Balik natin na. Yeah, I don't think so. Hindi ko siya nakita. I guess. So, hindi pala ito. So, kung tayo, diba, divided. Clothing. Pretty woman. I'm just gonna put, yeah, I don't need to look because I know what to put. So, that's it. Just that one item. Hanapin ko lang yung picture. Tanong kung na-picturean ko na ba. Yeah, you guys can see. Ah, there it is. Videos muna tayo. Okay na yan. Hindi ko na lagyan ng... So, wala namang may maingay doon. So, photos naman. So, look like the picture again. And on the picture. So, title na H&M. And divided dead. Woman's hoodie. Okay, price. I'll just give it for $10 because it's used. But use the yeah, use good description. H&M again. So you have to H&M. Hold on. Mag-stop muna tayo. Like I said, ayun lang naman, paulit-ulit lang yun. So, maglilist lang ako ng item. So, punta lang kayo dun sa Facebook. Tapos, lagay nyo lang kung anong item ang sisell nyo. Like clothing. Kasi like I said, ako po most sa akin clothing ang binibenta ko. Shoes. And then, purses, wallet. Ano pa ba? Toys. But, hindi niya ako nagbenta ng mga, before I'm selling, bato, yung mga gamit, mga things na, like, decoration for Halloween, for Christmas, and then, laptop, computers, but, kasi ngayon, it's too much, kasi sa Alaska, pag heavy masyado, I have to pay so much. So, especially pagka heavy stuff siya, ang dami kong na-experience na, I have to pay the whole thing, and sometimes ako, wala akong profit, na ako pa yung nagpe-pay ng double sa kanila. So, parang ako pa yung medyo nakulangan. Hindi kasi ako nakapag-profit, tapos ako pa nagpe-pay ng shipping nila. So, kasi nag-i-start pa lang ako, mahirap talaga pag nag-i-start ka pa lang, hindi mo pa ano ba yun sa Tagalog? Hindi mo pa sa Tagalog nun. Hindi mo siya pa memorize kung paano mo siya gagawin ng mabilisan, na alam mo na kung ano mga pasikot-sikot, kung naintindihan nyo yun. But you're not familiarized sa mga gagawin mo. So yeah, ang dami, grabe, ang dami ko pang nabayad. Nagbayad pa ako noon, nadaya pa ako nung una. Nagbayad ako ng $300 pa noon sa eBay kasi may nag-send sa, I think na-scam ako. So be careful you guys, lalo na sa mga taong sa inyo na mga nag-uumpisa lang. Na-scam ako ng $300 kasi kala ko eBay yung nag-send sa akin noon ng so stupid, like I said, because they telling me if I pay $300 noon, kasi nag-start ako, nag-start 2019, if I'm not mistaken, 19 yata yun, 18 or 19, na sabi nila kailangan ko daw mag-pay ng $300, and then they'll send me back ng gift card daw ng 500, I think $500 back. So, naniwala ako. I'm so stupid. Kasi nung pala, scammers pala yun. So, I send them money twice, 150, the first one, gift card ng eBay. Kasi nga, like I said, I'm so stupid that I was like, why do I have to pay? So, yeah. So, be careful, you guys. Lalo na sa mga, like I said, yung sa mga nag-uumpisa pa lang mag-doing ng reseller. Ang dami mong ma-experience na, minsan nawawalan ka ng money, hindi mo alam. Kaya minsan magsusulat ka, maglilis ka, or kakalculate mo lahat. Kasi ang dami. Tapos nagbabayad pa ako ng the whole shipping. Ako pa yung nagbayad. Sabi ko, wow, wala na akong profit. Naubusan pa ako. Nag-abono pa ako sa kanila. So, I'm warning you guys, so be careful. You have to be, focus sa mga ginagawa nyo. Yung mga dapat na, yung mga heavy stuff na kung hindi naman kayo magkaka-profit, wag nyo nang ibenta or i-sell sa iba kung kayo lang din magbabayad ng shipping. Lalo na ngayon ang mahal-mahal ng shipping. So, it's not worth it. Pag hindi siya worth it, na alam nyo magbabayad kayo, wag na lang, 'di ba? Kasi hindi kayo kikita, malulugi kayo. So, ayun lang naman. So, nag-show lang ako sa inyo. So, next video na lang. Okay, thank you. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the bell buttons and you guys can share it too. Thank you guys for watching me. I hope I give you some advice sa mga nag-uumpisa pa lang sa business ng reseller. Alright, bye guys. See you next videos.